I want to clean these wheels. I've got that special wheel cleaning product. I wonder how does it compare to just generic shampoo. Is that any better than shampoo? Now, it says it's non-corrosive and it's specially designed for wheels. It's good for removing brake dust. I'm skeptical, but let's give it a try. It says clean the surface first with water and then apply this product to a dry surface. So let's rinse these wheels now and let them dry. Now I clean them with water. They're actually not as bad as I thought. I've seen worse. You know, I've had wheels with really thick layers of years of brake dust, and it's super hard to get rid of. But there's still some doesn't come off easy. Let them dry, and then try to clean them. It says it's non-corrosive. Let's see check the pH level. I've got some pH paper here, and let's try the soap. Let me rinse this. Yeah, it looks pH neutral. About 5 minutes ago I sprayed this product into this cup and it hasn't changed color, it's still clear. It meant to turn pink or purple when contact with brake dust and iron. I thought maybe it's a scam, the color changing thing, and contact with air will change the color, but yeah, the good thing is it's still clear. I'm gonna sprinkle some iron dust in it. Yes, it does change color. I don't know, I guess it's doing something. Okay, wheels are dry. So WC stands for wheel cleaner. We do this wheel cleaner, half of this with wheel cleaner, and shampoo there. And that one remains as control. It does look like the wheel cleaner works better than just shampoo. It's not a miracle, but I think I will do one more application, see what happens. Well, clearly the wheel cleaning product works much better than shampoo. It's not perfect, but it's much cleaner. So that's a shampoo, and I think shampoo did absolutely nothing. I could have just used water and the result will be exactly the same. Yeah, you can clearly see this is the shampoo side and that's the product. It works much better. I'm actually a little bit surprised. I didn't do any research research if these things actually work, and I saw it on the shelf. I grabbed it. It's actually working. Here's the control. See, the control is pretty much the same as the shampoo. There's not much difference. In the end, this stuff stopped reacting with this grime here, so maybe it's not an iron dust or brake dust. Maybe now I need shampoo or something different to get the last dirt off. Now it turns out this thing actually works. I need to get some more. It's pretty much empty now. I tried various chemicals to get this remaining grime off. I don't know how to get it off. It's not coming off. So that's the shampoo one. Basically no better than the control. Shampoo has no effect at all. I hate cleaning wheels. It takes so long.